There's beaches out there that have nudity that's available to them. Yes, you can go to some beaches and there are nudity. Over in Sweden, there was a man. He's 65 years old. He's out on he's out on a nude beach, and then he starts doing what sometimes some guys just come naturally. And I'm not talking peeing. He just kind of got a hold of it and started. Yeah, he basically.
He was doing what?
He was gave himself.
Show me again. I missed it.
It's basically called the old Sandy Handy.
He was playing with himself.
He was playing with himself, right? He was masturbating, is what it was.
Like patty cake.
He was playing patty cake. He's doing the one-man patty cake.
Need a partner for that, yeah. Okay.
He was doing the one-man patty cake, and this, I didn't realize there was a name for this when you do this on the beach. It's called the Sandy Handy. So apparently it's happened a lot.
Well, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah. You rub things raw, I would think. Anyway, so he was arrested, but they charged him with sexual assault. But since he wasn't assaulted anyway, he wasn't like aiming it at anybody. He was like aiming it at the sea, and it's like we were talking about this in the meeting. The sexual assault. He was in the ocean when he was doing it. He was like halfway up to his thighs in the ocean there, and he was doing this. And I was like, did the ocean come in and press charges? You know,
those poor mermaids.
The poor mermaids and the fishies and the crabs and things. This is like, look at that! Oh my God, I just can't handle it anymore. No, but because he was not doing this intentionally towards like children or some woman that just happened to be on the beach or whatever, so they basically ended up passing a new law saying that you could masturbate on the beach so long as you're not doing it at anybody. So, and this is over, like I said, this is over in Sweden. Now the funny thing is, there's a group over there that just a couple months after this, the political party over there, they wanted to make it illegal for men to pee standing up. So it's okay to masturbate in public, but as long as you're not peeing standing up, hey, you're fine. Show your thoughts.
Yeah, peeing laying down doesn't work.
Yeah. They want you to sit down and pee, basically.
That's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous.
I think the problem here is that they charged him with sexual assault, and as you said, Packard, he wasn't assaulting anybody. And they couldn't get him for exposing himself because he was on a nude beach.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the Swedish laws are, but here in the United States, he would have been charged with committing a lewd act.
Right.
So perhaps the Swedes need to rethink, maybe not their national laws, but simply their civil ordinances in the towns that have nude beaches.
Right.
Like if they're so concerned about someone masturbating on a nude beach and they don't know what to charge them with, make that illegal. Like
exactly.
Okay, you could go down there, you could take all your clothes off, you can have a good time, get sunburn on your dick, just don't rub one off.
Jeez.
It's bad enough getting that thing red, just doing that, but red in the sun, then that you're just asking for trouble.
He's 65 years old. I'm not mad, I'm just impressed.
Really?
I'm gonna say thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Connie, your thoughts?
My thoughts are that they have an interest. I don't understand Swedish law. Yeah, and the fact that for this to be considered a crime, it would have been directed at somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Like what?
Yeah.
Again, we have to evolve. I keep using that word tonight, but we have to evolve, I guess. If we want to have places where people can be nude in public,
mm-hmm.
we have to also agree that everybody wants to see that. Because
I don't think I want to watch a 65-year-old man masturbate.
I want
but
to watch that. That's
no. The funny thing is,
get a room.
Yeah. The funny thing is though, if it'd been a woman standing out there on the beach masturbating, then who would have? I don't think they would have been calling the police. They're probably going, "Hey, can we get
an interesting question?"
Yeah,
I think that women would call on it.
No, maybe
men would not.
No, well, generally, I don't think other men would. No,
but again. Yeah, no, it was more an indecent act, a lewd act, like
lewd act,
Joe said. Yeah,
right. Yeah, it's just personally, I have no problem with it. But I mean, if he was he's standing there in the ocean, unless the ocean is going to come in and press charges, or the fish going to come in and press charges. Yeah, I don't have a personal problem with it.
You could sneak up behind him and narrate it. Like, yeah, then
the ocean says, "Yeah, you think that's something?
You think that's something? Take a look at this. Come up next to him. You think that? Whip that up. Oh yeah, watch me do this. So,
Let me know when you're about to finish so I can get out of the water.
Sand and salt water. I just think that sounds like pain.
it does sound like painful. It does. It does. Maribel, your thoughts?
You know, I'm just thinking all sorts of things over here. I mean, if it's okay for him to masturbate on the beach, it's kind of like, I'm feeling like it's a domino effect. Because if that starts to happen, you know, what if other people get turned on by seeing somebody else masturbate, and then they kind of start doing it, and then another person sees it, and then they do it, and so on and so forth.
So you mean we have a whole beach of people masturbating at one time? Wow, that's the beginning of a porno movie. Doing, doing,
Yeah,
doing, doing.
exactly. So I mean, that's where like my mind trailed. I'm saying to myself, it's like, you know, somebody like Yarns, and then you see them doing it, and you do it. You really, you know, you're not tired or you're not hungry, whatever, but you saw the other person doing it, and for some reason the feeling comes over you, and you're like, "Urgh." So I'm thinking, you know, you're gonna be at the beach. What if a good-looking guy is like masturbating and that turns you on? Then you're gonna sit there and, you know, you're gonna want to masturbate along with him. And if another woman sees that and she's getting turned on, she's going to want to masturbate. I'm just thinking that that's what's going to happen.
Yeah.
You're just going to have a total masturbating beach.
It's a masturbating beach party. Whee!
Somehow I don't think Annette Funicello would sign up for that.
It gives a new meaning to beach blanket bingo.
Yes, it does.
There we go.
I don't want to even know how they mark the X's and the O's than that.
It's blotter. There's no chip to wipe away.
Uh-huh.
Oh, God. Sorry.
Yeah, those are my thoughts.
Oh.
I'm sorry, but my thoughts.
No, that's fine.
Awesome, Maribel.
That's awesome.
The whole legal aspect of it just went out the window. I'm sorry. I'm just.
No, that's an aspect of it that I did not even consider.
They could just section off, you know, a part of the beach and say, if you want to masturbate, go on this side, and you know.
Well, if they have a whole section just for that beach, then I'm going to be
actually go to the beach and enjoy the water and enjoy the sun. You go on this side.
Mm-hmm. I was going to say, if you're going to go for that side of the beach and you're going to do that, then, you know, make sure you wear your slippers or you wear your thongs or you know, flip flops or whatever, because there's some that's not a jellyfish you're stepping in.
Hazardous waste.
That's it.
But you know what? Then I think to myself, I think it goes back to evolving. You know, it's like I agree with her, you know, like we really, as human beings, we need to participate and not change things around to suit your own personal needs. I mean, it's like, is it going to come for that day that we're going to go to the beach to jerk off and not actually enjoy nature and the sun and the water?
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, if you're doing that, you're enjoying nature right to its fullest, right? What comes more natural than that? But
Well, maybe if it
This
was more
sunset just
natural
couldn't get
in
anywhere red.
everybody's bedroom.
unless you're taking the blue pill, in which case, then that sunset's not going to be red anymore. It's going to be blue, and while you're doing that, but never mind.
Well, maybe he did take a blue pill. I mean, he's 65 years old.
If he's still doing it at 65.
Like, what was that all about? Like, what possessed him to take out his dick and say, you know what? I think I'm just going to jerk off right here.
I've heard of people.
I don't care what anybody says or thinks. I have to have an orgasm right now.
I've heard of people do it.
It was on his bucket list.
It's like maybe it was. Maybe it was. I've heard of people masturbating on the subway or on planes or whatever. You know, it doesn't matter where we are, because people are just going to grab it. Sometimes you just do it. I mean, men or women.